who are present here today, Honorable Madam Srimati Kache Rongpi. We also have with us our Honorable EM Sir Billy Mohan Khaglari. We also request him to kindly come up the dais and join us. Also today we have with us this evening Honorable MSc Sir Sri Pengpiga Rengma. Also we have with us Honorable MSc Sir Sri Longbison Bay. Also we have with us our Honorable Sir Sri Avijit Kro. We also have with us our Honorable MSc Madam Srimati Tilotoma Hasnu. We also have with us our Honorable MSc Sir Sri Krishna Bhattarai Sir. This evening we are also joined by most distinguished persons. I would like to request respected Sir Dhaniram T to kindly join us. Dhaniswaring T Sir. Diaita. We also have with us President of KCS, respected Sir Chandra Singh. Also today we are joined by respected President of Karbi Lamet Amai, Sri Badim Inti. I would also like to call on President Secretary of Karbi Film Society to kindly join us, as well as President Secretary of Karbi Film Artist Forum. We also have with us Secretary of KCS, Sri Vidya Singh Rompi. We'd also like to include Sri Dhaniram Tisosa. He is the senior film director as well as producer. We would also like to call him on the dais. Nasi pining vi lada kactong kadong kave manpen kedo aluhi sarpo aluhi kahai pitung anak hansangi aluhi kanchoro parlo nasi mana bangki iltu mathengo da milur kibido labang so milur ke kai ajay mega bangsi no niltu mabang parpon po nasi dilijuning rikangtong Honorable Chief Guest of today's function EM Sir Kahai Sri Mangol Singh Timong lapen ke kadung kage tam hansangi labang so milur ke kai asai long chira tu chief hansi chuning rilo. Choroparlo Kadokori Pansane, Nalitona Tamadim Chinidam Chipansin Chanigla. I request all our guests to kindly take their respective seats as we proceed with our today's award function. Karjo Sai Bangki Labuan Pensito in Ton Bondo, Nona Bangki, Pining Ve, Iltumadag, Langkung Habe, Town Hall along Kajitomate, Iltuma Bang Putin Stami Chili, Bonstami, Iltumapan, to welcome